Okay, so today we're going to go over how to lock one cell in place when dragging a formula in Google Sheets. For example, if you have a list of prices in US dollars and you know what the exchange rate is and you want to put the equivalent prices in Canadian dollars, then this is the time when you're going to have to use this. So what you do is you write equals, click on the price that you want to convert, multiply it by the conversion factor, and if you just go like this and drag it down, you're going to get an error. There's going to be a whole bunch of zeros here, and that's because as we dragged it down one cell, this cell updated as well, it moved down one, and so did this cell. When we went down two cells, this one also went down two, and this one also went down two. Same thing here. So we want to prevent the purple cell from moving down, and the way that we do that is we're going to lock the row in place using a $ in front of the number. So when you do that and you re-update the drag, it converts everything correctly. Each time, the orange cell moves down, but the purple one stays in place, like that, and like that. Now, if the table was flipped for some reason, like this, and you want to make a drag from right to left, then we can do the same thing. So we can have this times the cell that we don't want to move. And again, if you don't do anything to it, we're going to get this error because the purple cell is going to move with our selection. But what we do is we put the $ in front of the column. So this time the $ is in front of the B, and when you drag it across, everything works properly. If you want to be really safe, what you can do is you can put the $ in front of the column and the row, so like this, and then you can know definitely if you're dragging from right to left or up and down that the cell that we've locked is never going to move, no matter where we put our selection. Okay, cool. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next Google Sheets tutorial.